Wise Loan is an online installment loan provider that positions itself as a fast, reliable solution when life throws an expensive curveball your way. Think emergency car repairs, medical bills, or just making ends meet between paychecks. For first time borrowers, loan amounts range from $200 up to $1,500 with higher maximums available, up to $3,500 for those who have borrowed and repaid before. It stands out by working with people across a range of credit histories, meaning even those with bad credit can potentially get approved, provided they have a steady income and a checking account. The whole experience is designed for urgency and transparency. The application is available online and takes less than 5 minutes, with most decisions arriving within minutes to an hour. Funding is quick too. If you apply early in the day and have a qualifying debit card, funds might land in your account in as little as 15 minutes. Even without that, same day or next business day funding is the norm, which is a lifesaver when something needs paying right now. There's no need to worry about hidden costs. Wise Loan lays out all the fees and repayment terms up front, so no one gets tripped up by confusing fine print or last-minute surprises. The benefit of working directly with the lender means there's no dealing with brokers or extra hoops to jump through. Everything is handled by Wise Loan itself, and there's a human support team available if questions come up along the way. Repayment works by breaking the balance into predictable installments with no balloon payments or revolving debt hanging over your head. Fixed interest rates and no prepayment penalties give a level of control. If you're able, paying off early won't cost extra. Plus, Wise Loan reports on-time payments to the major credit bureaus, offering folks an honest shot at building or repairing their credit record as they go. A unique bonus offered by Wise Loan is the nest egg, an incentive where, after fully repaying a loan, borrowers receive a cash reward that's either available for future use or can be cashed out. It's a small way to make responsible borrowing feel a bit more rewarding, especially for those working hard to get back on stable financial ground. On the flip side, the biggest con is that the interest rates can be high, and as with many short-term or emergency lenders, people need to be careful not to take on more than they can repay. While Wise Loan isn't offering payday loans or loans with endless rollover fees, it's still crucial to check the specific APR and total repayment cost before committing, so there are no unwelcome surprises down the road. Higher rates are common in this industry, especially for those with weaker credit, and a short-term solution can get expensive if it stretches out longer than planned. It's also important to note that loan limits vary by state, and not everyone will qualify for the fastest funding methods. For anyone in need of a quick financial bridge and who values speed, clarity, and the potential to boost their credit, Wise Loan can be a practical, straightforward option, especially for people who may not have access to traditional lenders. However, Wise Loan should be used with a clear plan for repayment and a realistic assessment of the total cost. Borrowers need to remember that while the process is convenient and transparent, missing payments or not paying off the loan as scheduled could negatively impact credit and overall financial health. Wise Loan stands as a fast, user-friendly lifeline for emergencies, but it's always wise to proceed with a full understanding of the obligations and costs.